In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Crunchyroll black screen issue. If you're facing this problem, then the first thing you want to do is close the Crunchyroll app completely, open the recent apps and swipe Crunchyroll off of your screen. Now open Crunchyroll and check if the issue is still there. If it is, then the next thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you're using a stable connection. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and check. You also want to restart your Wi-Fi router if needed. Next, you want to clear the cache of the app. For that, tap and hold on the Crunchyroll app, then tap on this app info icon. This will take you to settings. Here tap on storage, now tap on clear cache, head back, now tap on force stop, then tap on OK. Also, you want to update the app to the latest version. For that, launch open Play Store, search for Crunchyroll. If you find update, tap on that. Once it is done, open the app and this issue should be fixed. If it is still not fixed, then you want to check if this is a server issue. For that, you want to open up any web browser. Now search Crunchyroll server, open down detector. Here you want to check if there is any server outage. If there is, you simply want to wait until they fix this problem. Once it has been fixed, you can open Crunchyroll and this issue will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.